Yeah, so I had a root canal done about 10 years ago. And while I was eating, the crown fell out. So I needed to get a replacement and also get the checked out teeth to see how it was doing and like the condition of itself. It was actually a referral from a friend. She came highly recommended, but I also had to do my own research just to make sure that, she was legit. So I was very pleased to find like her positive reviews as well as her level of expertise. I just wanted to make sure that whoever I was coming to knew exactly what they were doing and that I was gonna get the best care. So when she gave me the diagnosis and we took all the images, she told me that whatever I had inside my tooth was, materials that they don't use in the dentistry world anymore. She gave me knowledge about that and gave me information about what's going to be putting in newly going forward.
Minju's case was very difficult. She went to several dentists who said this tooth is not restorable. You need to extract the tooth and, you have a huge infection there. And she came to me looking for a second chance. Can you do anything to help me out? And I looked at it and I said, it's a very difficult tooth. Prognosis is guarded, but if you are on board, we can try saving the tooth. And she said, do it. I trust you. So I went ahead. We did the retreatment because, the first treatment, wherever she got it done, failed. The infection was too large, very large. We did it over 2 sittings and we filled it. She went to her general dentist. He placed a cap, but he was also very sure that the prognosis is guarded. And since then, I have seen her for a 6-month recall, 1-year recall. She's completely asymptomatic and we've taken CTs. The tooth is still in the mouth and the bone is healing so well.
The fact that she had the ability to save my tooth, because as I mentioned before, I was a complex case and it was either getting a root canal redone or getting an implant, and she prolonged the lifetime of my tooth. My follow-ups with her have been beyond my expectations. She checked up on me 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, just to make sure that my tooth was healing okay. I was a little bit nervous coming into the office because I wasn't sure how it was going to be, turning out, but I'm super satisfied and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend her to anybody else.